Top, as you can see, I made an alt account. I friended myself, and we're just gonna be trolling in TSB for today, because that's usually what we always do. So yeah, let's just start trolling now. So I'm gonna search up TSB. Oh my god, it just won't work. This, bruh, that sucks. Anyways, I'm gonna play some TSB and troll people because that's what I do. I like trolling people, guys. I like trolling. Don't mind if this is laggy, but yeah, trolling. I've got like 0 kills in this. You can't. Anyways, normal looking bacon, free items. Oh hell nah, blue. What the hell? Oh, nah, what is dashing? Can't move. I forgot I can't move. Oh, I can't move. With my eyes? Alright, finally I can move, but the map looks so. Holy crap. Alright. Alright. Hell no. Blue. What? Oh my god. I can't see. To try it. A different server. Oh my god, one sec guys, I gotta close my own Roblox right now. Alright. So on another server it is. Please don't be chaos. Please don't be chaos. Alright, but I'm gonna act like I'm a noob. Because that's what everyone does. I am noob. Guys, I got tons of or I can bend the game myself. Alright. Stop. Wait, what the hell? Blue stole my kill. Acting as a noob. Wait, have I got? Why is it someone called DTI? No, bro. That stupid Genos user stole my kill. This Genos user actually. Oh, this is the DPI gun. I don't think I should do that. I should be one down. This is more big. How is it? cooked. Oh, you got cooked. I'm gonna cook. Oh my god. Hey, come on. Oh, hell no. It's not bacon. Alright guys, time to cook. Alright, the second I said I'm gonna cook, I get Come at me. Come at me. Oh, this is hiking. Pale. Bro, stop teaming. No. Damn. Hell. You're cooked for interrupting your fight. No way, bros. Can't get me with that. Can't get me with that. actually kind of good, guys. I'm actually cook. I'm just gonna grind my ultimate on the weakest dummy. Like, usually guys, servers, you can't even grind your ultimate. Guy will just start cooking with you, which is like so annoying. So yeah, alright. Now guys, I haven't gotten a single kill in this server because, oh hell no, I'm not. Because of kill stealers. They exist for stupid reasons. I don't think they exist for a reason, but they just exist. I hate them. No one bro really tried. Guys, no way I'm trying to do that thing. Why haven't I got... Wait, I can claim a new emote. Done with the emote. Trying to hit me. Please, sir. Nah, this guy still cooks on me with barely any health. Bro, stop moving around. I just can't stop moving. Okay, alright, I'll leave that to him. Anyways guys, time to use death. A friendly guy has arrived, whatever. I'm gonna use this guy. I'm gonna use Saitama, yo. Bye bye, bye bye. Alright guys, just signature shuffle around, yo. Yup. Ding. Yo, stop. Get it. Why are these weapons always moving around? Nope. Plus, stop. Oh my god, stupid touch. I don't want to. Right? Hey. Forgot the other bacon. Bacons, assemble! Wait. No way, you really got me down there. Two toxic monkey users? Oh, damn it. Yo, I'm gonna death counter him. You want free people? Why didn't that hit me? Yo. Hit me for not hitting me. 3 kills, yo. 3 kills is fine to me. What did bro do to me? Bro, hell nah, bro. Anyways, alright, guys. I'm gonna get my ult. I'm gonna get my ult in 3, 2, 1. Damn, yo. Easy kill, easy kill. Guys, that was the end of video. And I'm back in my private server, y'all. Goodbye, classic ending. Have a good time, y'all. Bye.